Hello gorgeous people, my name is Sukanya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share my recent skincare haul that I did for the festive season. Festivals are here and they can take a toll on our skin and hair quality. So taking care of our skin and hair is very crucial. So let us dive into the skincare haul. First up, I got this amazing Ubtan Face Wash from Joy Skincare. You all know I absolutely love natural skincare products, so I had to get my hands on an Ubtan Face Wash. It is enriched with saffron, sandalwood and turmeric that lightens tan and evens out complexion to reveal natural gleaming glow. We get 100 ml product for rupees 180. It has a very smooth texture and there are some small grainy particles that are really great for skin exfoliation to get rid of your dead skin cells and to reveal that naturally radiant, smooth and evened out skin tone. It not only helps remove tan but also minimizes blemishes and it gives a cooling and soothing sensation on the skin after application. Next, I got this Neem Face Pack from Ozone. It is a skin clearing and glowing face pack and it also has a cooling sensation after application. We get 100 gram product for rupees 110 only. The key ingredients are neem extract, aloe vera extract and lemon oil. It not only deep cleanses the skin from within but also detoxifies the skin with the help of neem. Apply a thick and even layer all over the face and then just let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse it with cool water and that's all. It leaves a very soothing sensation on the skin with a more brighter, clearer and smooth out complexion. Now one for the hair. I got myself an Absolute Repair Hair Mask by L'Oreal's Professionnel. I received this hair mask as a PR gift, but trust me, it's amazing. Let me show you the product consistency. Such a creamy and smooth texture. We need to apply this hair mask after shampooing and rinsing the hair on wet hair. Leave like 3 inches of length from the scalp and apply the hair mask to the rest of your hair length. Then leave it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse it off just like a conditioner and enjoy silky, smooth and frizz-free hair. We get 250 gram of product for rupees 990 and we need to use it like hardly once a week for hair repair and hair care treatment. I also got this Kojic acid and vitamin C skin brightening bathing soap bar by Satthwa. This is a pack of 2 soap bars for rupees 475. Now let us know this product better. It has kojic acid that helps improve the appearance of uneven skin tone caused by sun exposure and environmental stress. It is commonly used to gently support a clearer and more even looking complexion. It has vitamin C, which is known for its antioxidant properties and helps protect the skin from dullness. Regular use can support a brighter, fresher looking skin tone. It also has licorice extract, which is a plant-based ingredient often used to reduce the appearance of dark spots and promote visibly balanced skin. It helps soothe and refresh the skin with every use. It also has glycolic acid that gently exfoliates the skin surface, helping remove dead skin cells and improve skin's texture. It supports better absorption of kojic acid, making the skin appear smoother and more refreshed. It has aloe vera extracts that help soothe and calm the skin, reducing redness. Its hydrating properties keep the skin moisturized, preventing dryness or irritation after cleansing. Let me quickly show you all the soap bars. Like this, we get 2 soap bars and I have already used one of the soap bars and it's genuinely amazing. This is how it looks. Next, I got myself a Hydra Refresh Ultra Light Gel enriched with blueberry and hyaluronic acid for dewy and hydrated skin. We get 50 ml product for rupees 99 only. And since my skin is getting oily these days, I am into gel moisturizers to control the excessive oil production. I also got myself Glow Brightening Day Cream and Night Cream from Get Nectar Happiness on Amazon. It is for rupees 299 only. We have pack of 2, 15 grams each product inside. One is Instant Glow Day Cream and the other one is Overnight Repair Night Cream. Now let us check out the products. So these are the two tubes. One is Glow Brightening Day Cream and this one is the Night Cream. The Overnight Night Repair Cream is really great. Now let us check out a sunscreen. I got my hands on this amazing UV Shield sunscreen by the Osea Herbals. It has SPF 50 PA+++, sunblock formula enriched with papaya and green tea extract. It has a broad spectrum protection against UVA and UVB rays. It gives a non-greasy finish and it's also water resistant. And this is a dermatologically tested product. We get 120 gram product for rupees 575. It is a thick cream based sunscreen. Very hydrating and very nourishing to the skin. I got myself a couple of makeup products. A black liquid eyeliner along with a black color kajal from Nourish Mantra on Amazon. Now both of the products are smudge proof and waterproof. However, I personally did not really like the quantity of the liquid eyeliner, which is like just 3 ml product for rupees 499. But the kajal is really good. It is for rupees 325 and the formula is really amazing. This is a good product. I definitely recommend you all the kajal. Lastly, I got myself a cranberry flavored lip balm for my lip care from the House of MG in Ahmedabad. The formula has all natural and organic ingredients only. The natural ingredients are organic beeswax, shea butter, castor oil, olive oil, soya oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, licorice extracts and cranberry flavor. We get 10 gram product for rupees 149 only. Now let's see the tint. Just look at this beautiful red tint and the creamy balmy consistency. It also smells delicious. So this was my skincare haul along with a couple of makeup products. Do not forget to check out the description to get the product links and please comment below and let me know which one is an essential product for you. If you love skincare, hair care and all kinds of self-care routines, then please like this video and also share it with other skincare lovers. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and my content and also connect with me on other social media handles. Please comment below and let me know what you would like to see next on my channel. With that being said, bye bye gorgeous people. I'll see you all in my next video.